Hi everyone, welcome to the weekly Fundamental Podcast. This is Rini Mehta, and in this podcast, I'll bring you top updates from the world of stock markets and stock picks for you to invest in. So let's get started. Domestic equities gave positive returns last week amid easing concerns pertaining to the potential severity of the Omicron COVID variant. Sensex and Nifty gave positive returns of around 1.7% last week. BSE Mid Cap and BSE Small Cap Index outperformed the larger indices with gains ranging between 2 to 3%. Majority of the sectoral indices saw positive returns with weekly gains ranging between 4.5 to 4.8%. BSE Realty and BSE Metal Index saw renewed interest amongst market participants. Meanwhile, last week, RBI's Monetary Policy Committee unanimously kept the repo rate unchanged at 4% along with accommodative stance. So guys, we believe markets in the immediate term will keenly watch out for the actions on asset tapering and key policy rates in the upcoming US Federal Reserve meet. Now let's see how FPI flows have been doing. FIIs continue to be net sellers in the December month till date to the tune of rupees 16,235 crores, while domestic institutions bought more than 13,000 crores of equities during the same period. We expect future FPI flows to remain volatile given key events such as upcoming state elections and expectations of a rise in interest rates. Investors will also focus on the upcoming quarterly results and Indian Union budget. Moving on to the top stock picks. Our pick of the week is Mahindra & Mahindra with buy rating and a fair value of rupees 1,180. Here's why we like the company. In tractor segment, the company will launch new products and will expand the dealer network in order to further consolidate its market share. Overall, the company remains optimistic about medium-term growth prospects, led by one is strong product pipelines. Second is scale up in exports and farm implement revenues, and lastly, channel expansion. The company has been successful in turning around international farm and auto subsidiaries in challenging times, which is impressive. Over the next 2-3 years, the company will provide electric vehicle offerings from its current SUV portfolio with the help of relevant partnerships and its research arm. So we maintain buy rating on attractive valuations, and our fair value is based on sum of the parts valuation. Lastly, you can also consider buying Ashok Leyland. We have upgraded the rating on the company to buy from reduce earlier as the risk reward is favorable after the recent correction. We believe a sustained recovery in economic activity resulting in higher fleet utilization and improving freight operators' profitability will result in an improved demand scenario over the coming quarters. Upcoming product launches in various segments will help the company improve its market share going forward. So our fair value remains unchanged at rupees 140. To know more about our recommendations, guys, you can visit the research section on Kotak Securities website, or definitely try out our Telegram channel. We keep posting lot of stock market related updates and even recommendations. So guys, that's all for today. See you again next week. Happy investing and thank you.